Functions is what we use language for. It helps us communicate language teaching. It helps us identify real language instruction for your students, different things that they will have to use language for, like requesting, inquiring, greeting, asking for directions. These are elements of language that students need to know in order to be able to communicate their thoughts and desires. In functions, we're talking about functions, we also have to think about context. A context is what is going on. For example, a boy wants to go to the movie with his friends tonight. All right? So that's the reason why he wants to communicate. Content is the reason why. Exponent is actually the dialogue used where it says, let's go to the movie tonight. Those are the words that are coming directly from the person's mouth. Those are exponents. And function is the purpose of the communication, which is suggesting or making a suggestion. Levels of formality is also part of language function. When we're talking about formal language, we're talking about language you're going to use with your boss or people who you don't know. And you're going to be asking them very politely, would you like to join us for dinner? These are people who you do not have a close relationship with, or they're in situations of power. Informal language is when you're talking to your brothers or sisters or someone that you do know, and you say, do you want to go eat dinner? Now, the difference between informal and colloquial is that colloquial language is with people that you know very, 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 very well. They're like your best friends. And you're not even going to ask a question. You're just going to tell them, let's go eat. And neutral is the language that you use that really doesn't have a type of formality, but you just use it as a source of communication, which is, why don't you come to lunch with us? There are times to use appropriate language and inappropriate language, and we'll be looking at those later on. Now you're going to be seeing some exercises, and I want you to look at the context, and I want you to decide which function are they referring to. And then at the end of all these different exercises, you will see the answers at the end. Good luck. How did you do?